Hello, Snack Fiends, Yetti here, and today we're at the beautiful Lacamas Lake. Look at that. That is gorgeous. Anyways, we thought it'd be a great place to try hot pepper beef stick at the Jerky Hut. We look at the ingredients here. Water, beef, seasonings, spices, mustard seed, garlic powder, soy. Oh, there's a lot of spices in this. Sprayed with a solution of potassium sorbate to retard mold growth. I don't think you're supposed to say that out loud, but hey, let's see how this is. Alright, I'm going to put on pause while I open it. Okay, I found a Wild River person to help me open it up, and she used her teeth, so good job, Wild River person.
No hippie.
Alright, here we are. I'm going to let the Wild River person hold on to this while I take a bite here. Ooh, there it looks just like a beef jerky stick. Okay, it's kind of dry, but not too dry. That is spicy. That is a spicy jerky. But it's pretty tasty. Yep. Other people in the party say it's a bit spicy, so we have a winner here. Tasty, spicy. It's similar to the beer sausage sticks, but yeah, I bit my finger there. All right. The Jerky Hut spicy hot pepper beef stick gets a thumbs up from me. All right, Snack Fiends. Say goodnight.